What's going on, everyone? Good morning. Good morning. I had to make sure I pause my music. Don't kick up copyright strike. Yeah, looks like this thing's been up here 4, 5, if you want to count this times. We'll see what happens when we get to market open. But I don't know. Let's see if this is legit resistance. I mean, it's held up, but we're like right here at the top. We could get maybe some profit taken out open. But I don't believe they drop it below this trend line here. And then even if they do, bulls will probably come in down here looking to buy. I suspect. Yeah, take it to new lengths. And the reason I got that poll up, that question of 725, just because there's a lot of orders sitting up there on a book map. So we'll go ahead and put our horizontal line out. 725. 725 even. That's the goal. Let's see if we can do it today. But this is a bigger time frame, or not even time frame chart. This is a tick chart. 15,000 ticks for each candle. It's a decent amount of transactions. Uh, this one here, we call it the king push. This is 60,000 ticks per candle. That's a lot of transactions. As you can see, 60,000 tick chart. This message has been going nothing but up. But this is interesting to see, but we'll have to see how price reacts at market open. I didn't really see any news today from what I checked. Check again. See, we are coming off uh, we are coming off the holiday, the 4th. We'll see if this bullish momentum continues or a pullback. I don't think we completely reversed yet, but oh yeah, put that line up here, 25. When you're looking at this chart, that seems like nothing. That does not seem too far off. That's actually light work for the NQ. But we'll see. But these are charts I trade off of. 2,000 tick. Each candle represented by 2,000 ticks. 2,000 transactions. And I guess 725 exceeds this fib, but we got New York Fed. 1 year consumer inflation expectation. It's at 11. Mm, consumer credit. Oh, what up, FX? I'm gonna keep this poll up until like 5, 10 minutes after market open. See how y'all feel. Gotta be adaptable though. Gotta adapt. As much as I want to be a bear, I saw Friday how I had to switch it up and go long. Where the money was at. Lesson learned. Couple of evals blown. That's all right. Couple 50K evals. Got to be adaptable in these streets. I saw that pump too, forming. I saw it building up pre-market. And I was being stubborn, holding my short. Gotta let it go. Can't be stubborn. Gotta be adaptable. If you're wrong, I know that's easier said than done. If you're wrong, let it go. Get on the right side. Rosales, good morning. Good morning, bro. What time is it? Game where you lying at you. Take no short. Don't be lying to the public. You know I want to short this too, but I don't know. I'm not gonna do anything so close to market open. I'll be patient today. Chill. Matter of fact, oh shoot, not bad. I was you over here. Got Alfred in the building. Discord. Oh yeah, yeah. This is take profit. This is a funded one. We passed Friday. Yeah. Shout out to Sherm. Hey, when you wrong, you gotta just you gotta accept it. Better to take the small loss and then get on the right side than I don't believe you gain weight. You be trolling too much. I can't believe what you nah, I don't believe you. Yeah, look at this. Let's see if this hold up though. It'll be funny. I can't wait to see what he think about all of this. 'Cause you know he loves shorting, but they've done us dirty so many times we can't even trust him. Oh shoot, I was on mute the whole time. I don't trust you, game weight. You be trolling too much. I don't believe you. You shorting this. And then all of a sudden I can't hear him talk about whatever. Probably up in the goal position. So, and I can't remember if I was on mute or not. Rosales, yeah, this take profit account. And then I got a MFF 50K fund. Us Bears get no love. You can't even short this. It gets no love. Yeah, you keep going up until election. I mean, my bad, y'all. Go ahead and. Oh, y'all couldn't even hear it anyway. I'm not gonna lie. This looks like it's gonna drop, but I ain't even playing with it. 580 then bounce. 580 at the lows, I guess. guess it could. I doubt it though. These bears out here weak in the streets. They weak in the streets. Hey, gang, wait, why you think? I mean, I guess. I mean, I would have took the short, but shorts make me nervous in this market. But why do you think it was a good short? Besides from the obvious resistance up there. See, that's why you can't trust these bears out here. Can't even get the job done. Nah, I get it. Yeah, I mean, if the Bulls weren't so regarded, that would be an obvious short. But they can't even maintain it. I mean, look at this. This is crazy. Yeah, probably a little lagging a lot behind because my stream. But when it catches up, you'll see what I'm talking about. 4 times, and we're knocking at the door right now. Nah, I don't know. Could be our. I don't. Yeah, right now I don't know. Let's see. If this holds off, okay, I think we go down. But if they break this, sky's the limit, baby. No, probably 650. Yeah, we got orders at 650. Look like that's what they targeted. Yeah, it's funny you mentioned that time frame. I feel like they've been selling around that time from what I've seen. 918, 920. That's funny. Let me see if Sherm took any trades pre-market. Yeah, I don't like when I'm in the book map chat and I don't like when everybody's kind of seeing the same thing in in the book map chat. Oh, look at 500. Look at them stacked orders at 500. What? 500? Why are they stacking orders at 500? Ooh, that would be great if we get a down day, like epic like that. A lot of whiners in the chat. Yeah, I just looked at it though. They stacking orders at 500. I don't know. Could be a hint, maybe. I think. Okay, so here's. I think we might try to break out, maybe tap 650 or just fall short, and then maybe we get a drop. But then I don't know. I think these bulls are going to see it as a dip buying opportunity. We'd be lucky. I mean, obviously things can change, but we'd be. I think we'd be lucky to see the freaking low of the session if they stop it at VWAP or something. I mean, shoot, this still says up. This chart still says up. But I don't, man. I also don't want to miss out on those short opportunity if a real one comes. So we'll see. Let me push this back some. Uh, yeah. Let me go use the bathroom for market open. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Oh shoot. Said game weight sound like Sherm. With what? Is short? Trying to short? I mean, it makes sense to me. I think it's solid, but obviously, Bears can't be trusted until they prove themselves.
Okay. All right. Give me a second. Give me a second.
Yo.
Hmm. What's up? I think we at least get a retracement, bro. I mean that. I mean, ain't no fucking way to bullshit and just do all that. At least we get a retracement.
Man, I don't know.
I just looked at the charts.
I don't know.
I
I
know. I
hear
know.
you. I hear you,
A
but
bear can dream, though.
American dream. All right, we open.
A bear can dream. A bear can definitely dream. Mm.
Dang. Let's get it
My golden zones from last week are still holding up, yo. I mean, it's not surprising, but huh,
dropped.
it's still holding up.
Dang.
I wish I opened
See?
up my charts and actually played it, but
Dang. Dang. Let's book that.
I don't
Okay.
know, even this long, or did you thought about taking it short?
No, I'm just looking at it. Just looking. Um,
Hmm.
wait.
I mean, dude, we gotta have a retracement. I mean,
Do
come
we?
on, Bears. I mean, come on. Like, god damn.
Do we though? They have not proven themselves at all. And this thing bounced off
Nah,
the
they
pivot
haven't, dude. It's,
so far. Let's see. Oh my goodness.
I think we got Powell this week. I think there's some testimony from Powell this week. Let me look at that. Which I mean, we all know what he's gonna say, man. At this point, yeah. He testifies tomorrow, so we'll see what happens, man. He testifies at what begins tomorrow at 9 o'clock.
Uh,
So we could see a red day. We could see it.
yeah.
I mean, at least until 9 o'clock tomorrow. Conveniently timed at the same time with the algo. I mean, we do got VWAP. You know, like I was about to say, yeah, we got VWAP in the 50s sitting right here, and they do seem like they're trying to buy right there. I don't know. Okay.
Look at that. It caught it all the way down. Oh my gosh. That was a trap. Look at that. Trap. Trap.
Yeah.
Trapped. Trapped and
Yeah. I see that.
clapped. They got trapped and clapped. See? This is why. This is why I couldn't trust it. Although everything made sense to do it. I'm like, nah. Uh-uh. Everybody got trapped and clapped. They thought they was about to get some. I thought about buying down here too. I thought y'all was gonna get some.
Crazy, man. Crazy.
Hey, that's why I didn't. That's why I didn't rush. That's why I didn't rush to take the short. I mean, I would have held it, waiting to
Man,
hold it. Watch it come all the way back on me. I'd have been left stunned.
I'm
And
about to take a gamble, man. I'm about to gamble this, man.
you going short, aren't
I'm,
you?
I'm, I'm a, you damn right I'm a short, goddammit. You damn right. I'm a short, I'm
Hey
gonna try.
yo, hey
I
yo,
need to try.
hey yo,
I need to try.
yo. Be careful, please, please. I
I mean, if I
just,
can get in at a good spot. I mean, go ahead.
I mean, I want to do the same thing, but I just, I don't know. I just don't believe in them. I just don't believe that they
Yeah.
can do it. And I want to do the same thing. I was talking about that earlier, pre-market. Like this area makes perfect
hmm
sense to short, but can they do it? I don't know. That's the question.
I'm a, I'm a, I'm a try, but I'm trying now. I'm in at 638, man. I'm gonna try it. The bear in me just couldn't. I couldn't resist. We gotta at least try.
I gotta try. Oh, okay. Okay. Looks like they just went with a double
Yeah,
top.
baby. Yeah, baby. Get that first target. There we go, baby. There we go. There we go. But I do see that VWAP is right here, so I'm gonna push this right here. Because I know they're gonna do that stupid shit what they're doing right now.
That's a
Thank you.
nice
Thank
little
you.
scalp you
You
got. Nice little. Actually, you probably got it at prime real estate. Ah, missed it. I missed it.
Nah. I was like, dude, they got to, man. They gotta pull it back. I mean, the Bears ain't gonna go on like that. They ain't gonna go on.
So I gotta try. Missed it. Ah, oh no. I'm salty.
Risk-free trade, baby.
Just did not
Risk-free
trust.
trade of $800. Ah!
Nice work. Nice work. For me,
Yeah,
it made sense, but uh, I just couldn't do it.
gonna do it. Yeah, I mean,
Couldn't do it. Couldn't bring
dude,
myself
I
to
get
do
it, man. I get it.
it.
I mean, so this is a risk reward trade. That's why I try. I mean, we have a double top over here. They
Yeah.
swept the liquidity. They had it looked like they was having a hard time taking this. I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna try. It's a risk reward trade. I'm just gonna try it. And this time it worked out, man. I mean, that's all this was a risk reward trade. I didn't see anything. It was just a structure. I noticed that they was having a hard time really getting above this level to the left, and it was just a
Mm.
risk reward, man. That's it.
Yeah.
Hold on, give me a second, man. Let me try to eat this oatmeal real fast. Kind of came back late from the gym. Hold on.
All right. Since I missed that, now I got to figure out where can I get in at. But this 5 minute chart, there's so much demand. But oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I can see that 580. That Gateway said, I ain't even trying to play with this and hold it because they weak. Getting bought back up, bounce off the golden fib. Okay, what y'all trying to do, man? Is that the goal to take it back there? And
Mm.
should I or no? Are they gonna break this? I don't know. Mm, bro, this is crazy. Is this just gonna be a sweep? Yeah, that's a freaking sweep down. I can't even see what I mean. But ah, damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. You know, right now I'm at a point where I can't make a decision, so I think I should stay out of it. Oh, what the piss? What happened? Oh, shoot. I got three of these. Hold on.
Okay, my bad.
This over here.
What's up, GoFundMe? And that's a new one, Rich Rising. Okay, I like that. Huh.
Shorts always.
So right now, we had that big. Oh, go ahead, my bad. Go ahead.
Nah, nah, you go ahead. I'm just venting.
Oh, you.
I'll try to put this here and then. All right, I'll put a limit here. I'll short the 23%, but I probably missed my
Where's-
opportunity. 622.
Hold on, let me look at your chart real quick. Where's the 23% on your chart? Oh no, no. Which angles are you using on today? Because um, I
I
guess this would
used
technically be the pre.
it was the original before we broke these made new highs.
So you just
Oh,
use pre-market highs and lows. I mean, let's look at that real quick, man.
actually,
Let
I'm
me look
gonna
at
take
that.
it back here. I don't trust them. I want the best entry possible.
Yeah,
It just seems
yeah,
can't make a decision right now. That's dangerous. I think it's best.
yeah.
Yeah, let me cancel this.
I think that's the pump for 8:30.
Because
Mm.
I see, it's like I see this.
So, I mean, oh crap! It bounced at today's golden zone. It bounced exactly there. Oh shit! They bounced exactly at this golden fib.
You see?
At today's golden fib. Um, huh. You said GP bounce. What's up, NYA? They bounced right here at the golden zone, man. At today's golden zone. So I'm starting to see. So I guess what I might start doing is because yeah, it bounced at today's golden zone, but it bounced at it bounced at last week's golden zone initially in pre-market. No, excuse me, sorry. And they bounced at today's golden zone right here. And 23% right here. So I guess what I'll start doing is probably have like I don't know. Probably have the golden zone set out for like have it set out on Friday and then have the one on Friday the entire week and then just update have a chart that has the updated ones every day. Let me see how that's going to work out. See if we can get away with that with the Nasdaq, because yeah. And it's
Yes.
interesting that you said something about not making a decision. I'm gonna send you a book that I listened to this weekend, and I think this is the best book. I think this is the best book for traders that I've listened to so far. And I'm gonna share that towards once we start to slow down. I'm gonna share that with you guys because it's the best freaking book, man. The best one.
Yeah, I think I'm psyching myself out because I could have caught that scalp.
Well, I mean, you can play this either one or two ways, man. If they do take it down at the 23%, you can try to play that golden zone. You can try to play it because I mean they bounced it here, but this might be they might try to sell it here at the 23% though. They might try to sell it. I'm gonna put
That's
this right here.
yeah, yeah. I think yeah, I'm just psyching myself out. He said, "Go ahead with size, no game weight. Stop trying to have me blow my account."
Hold on. Are you trading the other account? Are you trading it?
I'm trading my
Uh,
right now. Funded one.
your boy added to the position, baby. We added to the position, baby. I'm just gonna put that right here. I'm not gonna, because I really, like I said, I don't really trust the Bears like that for real. They suck.
He said they suck. They do.
They completely suck. I mean, they had a good head start this morning, and it looks like the Bulls are coming right back. Suck. Yeah, I'm just gonna put my no, I'm gonna leave it right here. That's like a 10 point. I'm only risking 10 points. So we'll see. All right, so I mean, I do see on Bookmap that they are trying to sell it, but the CVD is mad positive right now. So I don't know, man. I don't know.
You are
I guess we're just
correct.
gonna be in this stressful short until it ends.
It's stressful short. It's always stressful short.
Yeah. Yeah. It gets to the point to where it's like, well, you might as well just wait until the Bears exhaust themselves and the Bulls take back over. But then as a Bear, you're like, dude, when the short works, you beat yourself up because you're like, I could have been a part of that. I could have been a part of that. But boy, is it stressful when you win it, man. It's just stressful. Let's look at the ES real quick. Ooh, ooh, this looks like a good risk reward trade on the ES right here. That looks like a great risk reward trade on the ES, and I'm gonna take it. Okay, I'm gonna reduce my risk because, like I said, I ain't trusting this.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
What?
Wow. See, they're being greedy. They're being super greedy today.
All right, what's that new chart? I mean, yeah, they're selling at the 23%. So, but they might bounce it here. I mean, like if we do get a move down, I mean, they might bounce it at the like the if they don't bounce it at the golden fib, they most likely coming back in around 95, 90 for real. Because if everybody is sitting here at this golden fib zone, I'm pretty sure they're gonna run these stops. And you know what? I'm like I said, I ain't playing that game, man, in Q today. She ain't about to hurt my feelings and have me crying.
Yeah. Oh shoot. She will leave you
Come on.
speechless.
I thought you loved me. I gave you all my money. Oh, that's funny. Because literally we do. We give our money to the NASDAQ. That's why she's so sassy the way she is.
She requires a
She can get away with
sacrifice.
anything. Yes, she does. Yes, she does. Come on, Bulls. I just let. Come on. Come on, man. Man. Let us bears just a little bit. Let us eat a little bit. Let me check on this trade. Okay, so I'm in this ES trade. Like I said, I'm not going to risk that much. 35, probably like 5 points on this. 6, probably. Just a risk reward trade, man. I see a double top. Okay, so 35, 25. I got stopped out of that trade, that NASDAQ trade. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Damn. Hold on. What?
I think I'm overthinking. Look at that rip.
All right, the
Yo,
NASDAQ is ripping, and let me take this one off.
what the freak?
35, 30.
Yo.
And the NASDAQ is ripping, and it's going to rip too.
See, this is why.
What I asked me? All right, so what was I using this chart for? Man, that's not fair. Man, that's not fair, man. It's not fair. Man. So 60. Okay, so I'm about to add to this, show. I'm about to add to this. I got 15 on. I mean, if they break down right here, and that's a great risk reward trade right here. Great risk to reward. And these risk reward trades are definitely going to be crucial because we don't got no price action to the left. So, I mean, both of these instruments are continuously making all-time highs. So you're just going to have to kind of, I mean, if you see something, take it. There's no price action to the left to use as reference. Back on like that. Yeah, good. I'm gonna get back to the back, but I'm gonna put this at 41, 40, 50. I think that's good right there. That's like 5 points of risk right there. That's 5 points. Uh, we'll see. Man, NQ, that's not even fair, man. That's not fair. That's not fair, man. That's not fair. That's not fair. All right. All right, we got the 9 o'clock algo coming out in 5 minutes. Notoriously, it's been bullish, but I guess I wouldn't be surprised if it's bullish this damn high up. I wouldn't be surprised. I wouldn't be surprised, man. Mhm. Mhm. Damn, it seems like elite traders trying to respond to MFF. They're saying that you got a 6 evals for the price of 3. That's crazy. 6 evals for the price of 3. I ain't got no freaking news today at all. That does look like a short, a scalp. No, this is a good area right here because
Yeah, if we don't get a flush, I think I'm gonna take break even.
you short or you long
These
right now?
I'm short. I,
No, I think the shorts are good, man. I think we're good. I'm short on
oh,
the ES. I missed the short on the Nasdaq, but I caught the short on the ES. I think we're good. It's just because it's grinding. It's grinding down, and that's usually a good sign. It's usually a good sign. It's just going to be stressful, man. Because you know all the momentum is really to the bullish side, so it's going to be stressful for real.
dang, and I forgot
And then
about
the
that.
price action is mad slow right now.
Uh,
The algo, yeah, it's
algos.
coming up in like in 40 seconds.
Nah.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh, she gave me chances. She always does to get out.
Well, okay,
Oh, oh,
okay.
oh, okay. That gives me a little bit of hope.
Yeah, I mean we didn't get that bullish reaction, at least not yet. At least not yet.
Right.
Let's look at the volume. I mean, today we're trading with relatively good volume today. This is really good. It's crazy that it's shopping the way that it is, but that is good volume. We up 2 points, baby, in this short, baby. Let's go. We up 2 points, baby.
2 points. That's crazy.
We up 2 points, baby.
All right, the rest of this is just getting trailed.
Man, I wish I was short on the Nasdaq, man. God damn, I wish I was short on the Nasdaq. God damn.
That worked
Damn.
out, but that was scary. That was stressful. It worked out for me. I was short Nasdaq, but it's very, very stressful. Probably
Yeah.
not worth the headache. Boom, baby.
Nah.
But no, no, dang it. No, I wanted to take it off and let it ride. Yeah, that was stressful. That was painful to sit through.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm still sitting through mine. The ES, I know she's gonna be she's gonna take her time to get to where she needs to get to. She's gonna take her time. That's why I'm kind of upset that I got stopped out of that short at the Nasdaq. Because I mean, honestly, this is clean price action for real. Actually, let's look at that because technically it's still bouncing at this golden fib right here, man. And
It
that's what got me
is.
concerned about my ES short.
Because there's hella demand here at on the 5 minute. If anybody, yeah, dang, this is crazy. And like you said, bouncing off the golden fib.
Yeah.
Ooh, I do not advise that, y'all. Whoever was able, who said, oh, I didn't even see midnight price. Yo, is that not on my trader view chart anymore? Oh, I think I had to turn it off. No, I gotta put that back on because that's
Why?
because midnight price be like it's like key like price likes to make its way back down to or back to that price. I noticed.
Mm,
I took it
mm,
off my because I don't have enough indicator space on my trading view. I think I used it all up.
mm.
You could only have so many.
Yeah, ES, man.
Ooh, yeah, that worked out.
Mm.
That was tough to sit through.
Yeah. Well, good thing that you're not on ES. I guess since I got a taste of the Nasdaq, the ES is just like super slow to me right now. It's like, dude,
Yeah,
like what the hell, man? I still have
exactly.
2 points though, baby. But it's still like it did bounce a little bit.
A good thing you're not on
Mm-hmm.
ES. Yeah, ES likes to take its sweet time. Okay,
Kind of like on Friday when
I need to reevaluate this.
yeah, like when on Friday when ES had that delayed pump. That shit was so delayed. The Nasdaq was already making moves, and ES was taking its time. And I guess you're gonna get a replay of that.
This is so frustrating today. Come on, Monday. Why you gotta be like this? Pick a direction.
Shit.
Pick a
Nah.
direction. Like, I'm surprised the Bulls came back in here around these levels. I thought they would be wanting to at least go to like around the 580s, 588, 590, and then come in with
580.
force. I would think. I thought that's where they saw
I mean,
like
well, I mean, if they come
interest.
back to 580, they already bounced it here. They bounced it at 580 already.
It bounced it at 596. I'm talking about NQ. Oh, are you talking about the
No,
past in the
yeah,
pre-market? Yeah, one
yeah,
o'clock.
yeah, pre-market.
I
Yeah, I mean, they
know
touched it. Technically, they touched it already.
that pre-market don't count. I'm talking about this session.
It does.
It counts, but I'm talking about this session, New York session. I don't care. I mean, I care about pre-market because that gives you clues. But I would thought they would at least try to double bottom down here in the 580s and then bounce it. I, you know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, I think if they come back to 580, yeah, I get what you're trying to say, but yo, 580 is getting ran. I
Like the
mean, if y'all
interest.
don't have to believe me, y'all can long it if y'all want, but the Sherman's already said it. They double bottom. They've actually triple bottom on this area already. They're gonna run this if price gets down here. They're gonna run it.
I just think the
But hey, if y'all don't
interest,
believe the Sherman,
the bull
hey, I'm
interest
just saying.
would be down there. I mean, I could see. I mean, no doubt, I could see him running it, but there is that the Bears are weak in this game, and they weak in the streets right now. So I don't
Yeah,
fully,
they are weak, yo.
I don't fully believe in them to do anything. Like this was crazy because this was still technically in an uptrend on this boom, and then it changed character. Because even this right here, still uptrend. I'm glad it rejected here. It changed character on this downward candle at 9 o'clock. that nine algo, but
Mm.
they couldn't even use that to
Well,
their advantage. Take it lower. That's what I'm saying.
yeah. I mean, the Bears are super weak, man. Like, I'm still in this short. I might close it, man. Like, God damn, yo, ES, yeah. Hey, your boy trying to eat too. Like, I'm trying to eat too. But uh, actually, I'm just gonna protect this. I mean, these Bears are super weak. I'm gonna give the ES all the. I'm just gonna give it every chance in the world to short right here. If I get stopped out, it'll be a break even plus a tick trade. But I'm not going to let it come back against me on this trade. So I'm going to protect myself on this one. Freaking ES.
All right, let me
This
close the
Nasdaq going
calls.
crazy right now.
Super crazy. JC said 598 is that magnet. Yo. All right. 50-50. The people have spoken. I asked, will NQ get to 27-25 today? And it's 50-50.
57.25.
No. 20,725. 725.
Nah, that shit ain't getting there today. Nah, we chopping them.
Yeah, that's
We
what it's.
chopping. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I forgot that. If y'all guys don't know with MFF, you can't trade Powell, you can't trade CPI, you can't trade um CPI. All T1 news, you can't trade it.
For how
I just
long?
forgot about that. So tomorrow when actually I don't know, like a 1 minute. They probably like have like a 1 minute rule or some shit like that. But all
Uh,
T1 trade or T1 news events, you can't trade.
yeah, that's good to know. Okay. It comes.
Yeah.
Let me do a little bit of. Let me hedge. Okay. A little bit of hedging right now. Because okay, let's take it back to the charts and see what the piss is telling me right now. Because
Man, it might double bottom in there. They might just take this. It might just bounce it here and it might take it. Either way, this gonna be a risk-free trade. It's gonna suck if this trade comes back against me, or if I get taken out of this trade. But which honestly, but I don't trust the Bears. They're just super weak out here. So let's see what they're gonna do here at 640 because it looks like they made a strong high at 654 on the Nasdaq, and that's gonna be the objective that the Bears are gonna have to overcome if they want it, or not the Bears, the Bulls are gonna have to overcome if they want to take this higher.
you get much higher.
So this is definitely going to be the objective for the Bulls. First, they
Alright.
got to really get over this high for real. And it does look like the Nasdaq is about to short here at this neckline, but we'll see, man. We'll see.
Alfred said 2 minutes before, 2 minutes after. That ain't bad. Like after it's
Yeah,
released, right? So a total of 4 minutes. You gotta sit waiting. Yeah, that ain't bad. I think that's the same with trade day. A 2 minute before, 2 minute
yeah,
after. You still catch some action.
yeah. Like the, I mean, honestly, I think that's a good rule, man. It's a good rule because I mean, just let the market play out, let it sweep the liquidity on both sides, and then you can trade the reaction to whichever direction it wants to really go into. I mean, it's a good rule, man. It
Yeah.
sucks for gamblers, but it protects people that really want to really stay in their accounts for as long as possible. It protects you against yourself.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, they don't care on the eval. They like blow it up. Only on the budget.
Man, this looks like a good trade right here.
What you seeing?
Huh.
Short.
Them having a hard time getting over this high,
Yeah.
but that's the. Uh, I should. You know what? Fine, whatever, man. I
Get
ain't
back
take it.
out here.
I ain't take it. I ain't take it, man. I'm telling you, I mean, if they touch 580, we might get a bounce to like to 600, but they're gonna take these lows out. Ain't no way that this 580 level holds again. There's no way. Well, it's highly unlikely for it to hold for real, for real.
It keeps getting.
Because they've been using this level all day.
That's why these
You said
shorts are
what?
so scary because they keep getting bought up. That's why it's so
Yeah,
stressful. Stressful. Keep buying them up, and they have shown. The Bulls have shown how regarded they can really be, time and time and time again.
man,
And
these Nasdaq bulls, man. Damn, I should have took that golden field. Like, I hate that, man. Yo, they came at the 23% right here and said, "Nah, we don't believe in the 23%. We don't care what the 23% represents." Well, I wonder if they're gonna double bottom it or double top it here at 655. I mean, if they can get it past 655, we can definitely see that 680, because that's the next golden fib zone anyways, at 680 level. But they may stop it at 665. So they would definitely needed to get it above 665 if you want to see that 680 level. And then they're at this neckline right here on the Nasdaq. So just be mindful of that. They're right here at this neckline.
Honestly, let's see if they can get to 23%. It's baby gains though.
Yeah. What are you thinking right now? You just sitting watching, or are you trying to look for something to get into right now?
I'm in a I'm in a short, but might just be just do like a little scout. I don't want to hold for anything, any super flushes. I don't believe in them. Not a fan, not a fan, not a fan.
Mm,
Fan of the Bears anymore.
yeah. All right, man. I think we'll see. We'll see with this ES trade. I think they're gonna probably try to stop me out on this one. Freaking ES. I should have took that short on Nasdaq. But I would have already been out of it. Got paid, because it does look like we, at least on the ES. I mean, we got the stair stepping, so obviously they're trying to buy this. It would be nice if they just dropped it,
I know, right?
like like they're doing on the Nasdaq right now.
Drop and give me 50,000. I want 50K.
Oh yeah, did you see that? You see that? I think Drake was spotted at a little party, and you can see that, man. He hasn't gotten a lot of sleep lately. His eyes are sunken. His you can blah, blah, blah. You can tell that he's lost a lot of weight. Yeah, Ticker got him. He's hurting. He's hurting.
Oh, that's funny. Drop.
Yeah.
Eating at my
The insecure behavior is finally caught up with him. Because now Drake is in that situation where it's like, damn, if he can't be Drake, the only person he can be is Aubrey. He don't like Aubrey. He don't like that guy. That's what.
once again. Let me see our five. Okay. Ah, shoot. Uh,
Oh, actually, I never looked at. Oh yeah, the hourly is bullish. Okay, never mind. Hourly is like super bullish. It's
man.
getting kind of bearish on the ES. It's somewhat bearish on the ES, but it's still somewhat bullish on the Nasdaq. I mean, it's not a surprise, but
Actually, yeah, I could see a little bit more upside. A little bit more.
or at least a double top. I mean, they're defending this this left shoulder so far. They're defending it so far, but They did knock it down, but the Bulls, you can see this big giant wick on the Nasdaq. But on the ES, you can see that okay, now the bears are starting to really come in on the ES. I think they've made their strong high at 37 on the ES so far. So I guess we're gonna have to see with this one. But the Bulls might come back in on at 625 on the ES though. We may see that. Where's your stop at?
I'll probably stop out at the 650, but it's
I want to take the short, man. I want to take a short. I want to take a short. That looks like a good short, man. That looks like a great short. With a stop a couple of points above the high right here.
I'm
That's a good
just
short.
on these shorts.
Risk reward.
I'm just going for freaking scalps 'cause that's all you can really get. The opportunity is
Yeah.
real opportunity is long, even though
Yeah.
it's frustrating. Look at this.
Yeah.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Just yeah. It's very
They're
frustrating.
trying to shake out the weekends. That's it. They're trying to shake them out. They're trying to shake them out. Because I mean, because we got to think about what's happening tomorrow. We have no news today. There's nothing to really excite the big lot bears. I mean, the degenerate gamblers. I mean, they still high off all that money. Look at that. Look at that. No. Take that card. No, that's not fair. Ah, that's not fair. But anyway, dude, we have no news today. We have nothing that's going to excite the Bulls to really buy this up. We have nothing. And then we got Powell testifying tomorrow. The institutional traders and the big lot traders are not going to gamble with Powell. I mean, we all know what is likely for him to say, but we all know that they're not going to, at least the institutions aren't allowed to trade when there's volatile news. So if we know that at least, we know that we're playing with the algos and retail, and they're not going to push it past highs for real. We might get bounces back and forth, but they're not going to make no big moves. And they still bouncing it off of this golden fib right here. So this is obvious that the algos are playing this. Like they're defending this golden zone at 600. Oh shit! I didn't know I was that high up with my ES trade. All right, let me take some of this. Oh, actually, I took some profits already, baby. All right, so my ES trade finally played out, but I think I'm gonna be done for the day because I just hit my goal for the day. What I'm gonna do is knock this shit down. So that was a good trade on the ES. Let's see if we can get it down here. We can possibly get it down here. We can possibly see this, but they might bounce it here. They might bounce it here. They might bounce it. That'll be absolutely crazy if we see that. So I'm pretty sure this can be like a good target right there. 617 would be a good target. Uh, why not? Last week's close, they might try to go for it. Okay. All right.
Yeah. Yeah. This is this is wild.
Man, I should have took it, man. They dropping this. I mean, like I said, they'll probably bounce it like so. Let's just say this. So if price does get to this 580, 570 level, I'm thinking the most we get is the 600 level right here, and then they're gonna probably use the 600 level as resistance because it's been support 1, 2, 3, 4 times. I mean, this area has been support this entire session. And if we do get a breakdown below this, obviously we know what's underneath these lows. We got 4 layers of stops right here underneath this low. And so the market runs this. They're going to tap into all those stops. And like I said, if we touch this level, I'm thinking we're going to 560. I'm thinking we're running 580, maybe the first time. But if price does bounce, I'm thinking we get like 600, possibly right here to like what is that, 605 or whatever that is. And then we can see that move down like that. Because I just find it hard to believe the Bulls take control today. I find it hard to believe that, especially with Powell tomorrow. I don't think we completely reverse and sell off, but I don't believe that we go higher. I think in that market participants are going to want cheaper prices for pump at Powell tomorrow versus buying the highs.
Good point. Man, that was again right there. I thought they were gonna break it that time. Finally.
You still in the short?
Yeah.
Mm. I mean, dude, I think you're good, bro. Because I mean, we took the liquidity like right here. You can see it, man. I mean, we took the liquidity underneath this low. Where's it at? Yeah, we took the liquidity underneath this right here. So the market took that. You can see that they're coming back up. So I mean, when you're in a situation like this where you have this break of structure going down, I mean, if you can draw out that neckline right here, and the most I'll probably get is 628, maybe 628, because there's another neckline at 628, 629-ish. But as
Yeah.
long as they don't take out that high at 640, you should be good. As long as they don't take that out. You're just gonna have to wait for it, I guess, until the Bulls exhaust themselves on the NQ. On the ES, it looks like the Bulls are trying to come back, but I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah. Dang, I'm just wanting y'all to do one thing. Y'all can't even get that right. You Bears, get it right. One thing. Okay. Okay. Okay.
All right, hey. Just look at the hourly chart on the Nasdaq. I think you're good, bro. Look at the hourly chart. I think you're just gonna have to wait this one out. You're just gonna have to wait.
That's
They're selling it now.
hourly chart. That shit is.
Yeah, look at the hourly chart. That's over. I mean, shit. Overall, I mean, right now, yeah, they got it. But look at what they're doing on the hourly chart. And they're rejecting it on the 23%. I mean, they're kind of rejecting it on the 23%. So this one's just gonna be stressful, man, if you want to stay in it, honestly. Hold on, where are you in at?
I'm down at 618.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Ooh, no wonder. Okay. All right, okay. My bad. I thought you was in at like 640.
Well,
around there.
I was in like 30s, but I saw the flush. I was like,
Good. And then he's good.
chin. Let me scale in. And they hold it again at the golden fib. I don't know why I was thinking it's gonna flush it that time. They hold it, and then it's like, yo, maybe, yeah, I see it wrong then, because I thought their interest would be a little bit further down in the 580s.
I'm gonna make sure I'm doing it right, but obviously I'm doing it right because actually, let me see. Let me see if I'm doing this right. Let me see if I'm doing this right. I mean, obviously the fibs are telling me I'm doing it right, but I just want to make sure. All right, so I was doing it right. Okay, that's all I need to know. That's all I need to know. That's all I need to know. So I was doing it right. Because if you played these golden fibs, your ass would have been crying. Okay. Hey, so how are you? Well, I'm pretty sure you're doing it right. But I watched this video about the fibs level to try to completely understand like what's going on with it and why it works the way that it does. And one of the points that it made was that drawing the retracements right, like in an uptrend, you're supposed to draw it from the bottom to the top, and in a downtrend, you're supposed to draw it from the top to the bottom. And doing it, make that small simple mistake will have you buying and selling at the wrong fib level. But obviously, I got it right because it's bouncing cleanly at this golden fib zone. But it's not respecting that 23% for real. I mean, it is, but it isn't. It respected it here.
Delta on the freaking.
I mean, you said what?
There's still positive delta sitting on the Nasdaq. Like, to me, the hourly is still in an uptrend on this. They're trying. Oh gosh, never mind. Just kidding. They just eating it up. I can't even say they trying.
Yeah, it's definitely no, it's definitely the bulls. I mean, you can see that the wicks are the bulls are buying this. That's completely obvious. When I look at the hourly chart, what I'm looking for is uh in comparison to the previous candle. Overall, I mean, obviously in the Nasdaq, you can't get caught up in its short term moves the Nasdaq because it moves so rapidly back and forth. If you get caught up in that, you don't know what direction to really trade in. But with the hourly chart, the way I use it is how this candle right here. Yeah, you see all the buying, but look at where relative to the last candle and the previous candles, look at where they're selling it at. It's having a hard time getting above this level. And from this level, you can see that they're selling it. And so on the NASDAQ, that's what I look at on the hourly chart that, okay, they're not getting above this, even though they're buying it, they're still having a hard time getting it above this high. So you can see that they're selling it. And now they broke that body of the candle, the previous candle, and the candle before it. So the bears are in control, in my opinion, but the momentum is still bullish. That's why when I look at the hourly chart, that's what I look for on the NASDAQ. On the ES, it's easier. You can tell that the bears are in control because look at the candle. It's easy to tell it on the ES, but on the NASDAQ, you just got to look at the overall picture.
Well, I need ES to pull Nasdaq down with it. like, let's go. Somebody press the button. Sell, sell, sell.
Nah, they only do that shit in the pre-market. They only do that in the
Sell,
Really.
sell, sell. Turn those machines back on.
Shit, I'm still in this ES short though. It's crazy. I mean, I did take a lot of my profits off. I only got 4 runner contracts right now. Where's my 4th one at? Oh, all the way down here.
My bad, Alfred. It's the pro. My bad,
Smoke
bro.
trades his funded account.
That's why I've been watching my drawdown, my trailing drawdown, because it's live trailing. So I got to be cognizant of that.
Oh, you're trading oh, you're trading I thought you were trading your NFF account. You're trading your trade day or not your take profit account?
Take profit, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, okay, so okay, now I can understand. Okay, now I understand why. Okay, I get it. All right,
Yeah, I've
and you can see, yeah,
I've been monitoring it, been
yeah.
watching it, keep an eye on it. Okay, what can I work with? All right, I'm still okay, but uh, this,
Shit,
this
honestly, MFF is going to probably kill take profit. MFF is going to probably kill take profit. Take profit got to take away that trailing drawdown if they want to stay competitive because their 50Ks are cheaper. Like honestly, MFF is kind of killing everybody right now. It's kind of having them think about, okay, well, yo, we're gonna see them sales dry up on our 50K accounts, and we all know that the 50K account is the bread and butter of these prop firms. They're gonna have to do something about that. That trailing drawdown, they might have to get rid of that.
same day payout. Alfred brought it up. Same day payout.
But I mean, come on though, come on though. That trailing drawdown, like I mean, people get it, yeah. I mean, I'm not saying that it's not possible, but I don't know. The weekly payouts makes it seem more okay. You're not okay. I don't have to rush and get it today. I can get it at the
Yeah,
end of the week.
nah, yeah.
Versus,
You
let me
right.
try to get it now. Let me try to get it now. Let me try to get it now.
You right. That's a valid point because I was trying to low key break the buffer zone so I don't have to worry
Yeah,
about
no.
this anymore. Low key. Oh, what happened? Did my mouse just die? No way. No way. Yo, you serious? You swear? Okay. Stop moving.
Mm. And there goes that flush, baby. There goes the flush, baby.
Hey,
There it
come on.
goes. You gotta trust the hourly chart, man. You gotta trust it, man. You gotta trust the hourly chart.
I
You
don't
gotta
trust.
trust it.
I don't trust. As a former
You said
bear,
what?
as a former short, I don't trust nothing. I don't. I can't. How could you? How could you trust them? Okay, baby. First
Yeah.
TP hit. Let's go, Bears. First TP
Team
hit.
Bears. Yo, I mean, honestly, I should close this out. I mean,
Nah.
I made about $1,000 today. I lost, so I made 1,000, lost 4, and I just got it back. Plus some. So
Ooh,
I'm gonna let this
ooh,
play. See, you gotta trust the
ooh,
charts, baby. You gotta
ooh,
trust your boy Sherm, and you gotta trust the charts. You gotta
ooh,
trust it, baby. You gotta trust it.
ooh. All right, let's take that
All
off.
right, so let's see, man.
And we
All right, so
gonna
we getting close to that 580.
we gonna move this
Actually,
down.
actually, 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 they might bounce it right here. They might bounce it here. I just saw that. They might bounce it here.
Don't do it though. Oh, I know you want to, but don't do it, Bulls. Not yet. Keep going. Keep going.
Yo, if they bounce it here, that 580 level ain't holding for sure. It's not holding for sure if they bounce it here.
Let me push this
Because they
back.
just took out, I mean, they've been bouncing it on last week's close. You said
Yeah.
what?
No, I'm talking. I'm trying to talk myself through this, managing this. I'm still in one as the runner, but I also come
Mm.
on. Oh, keep dropping, keep dropping. Remember the dude blowing on the screen. Go down. It's gonna tap me out and then drop. I've seen this play out so many times. I've seen this movie before in Q. And F you.
Yeah.
We still
Okay,
got
so let's see what they do at 612. Let's see.
612. Yeah, that's a good spot. They bounced it around there last time. See how
You can see that
stressful.
neckline is sitting right here,
Okay, let me check out
just for the Bulls to come right back in.
the king push chart. Where we at? We are below that trend line. I just don't trust them to make a significant move, though. I think if we get to
Yeah.
the pre-market low, if we even get down here, I don't think they'll come back and take over for real. I think they come back, they
I
take.
think the Bears got it, bro. I
Well, you
think this
could
is a
be right.
bounce. Look at
This
the
is
hourly
just
chart, man.
yeah, because you could be right because of the events. They like to set up for. You said we got Powell speaking tomorrow. Yeah, you got
Yeah, nah. You know he only pumps it. You know he
yeah,
only pumps it.
you got to take that into consideration. I don't think I would have did well on this
Yeah.
50K today though, MFF. So I don't think I'm. Should I even
Why?
bother trading it? The too much back and forth. Like, look at this 5 minute chart. These
I
wicks.
would I would wait, man. I
Yeah,
would wait. Because
yeah.
right now you're in a
I'm in a
you're an
state.
obvious
Yeah,
stressful state right now.
yeah, yeah. You could
Yeah.
see it. You could
Yeah, I
hear
would wait on that.
it. You're right. Hey, yeah, you're right. I am in a state of just
Yeah.
that was stressful. That was stressful short. It shouldn't be that way.
Yeah.
I mean, cause look, bam.
Yeah, it shouldn't have, but yeah, I mean these bulls are relentless. These late bulls are gonna be they're gonna be completely regarded, man.
Yeah.
Completely regarded.
What though? All right, I'm not leaving you. Okay. But seeing, okay, I do feel like looking at it now that we possibly, if we need a strong close down though, we've entered into a downward trend. If we can actually pick it up, these bulls, like you said, they've just been relentless. Yeah, I think
Yeah.
these market makers and
Yeah, look at them buying it up right now.
these algos just playing with us today because this is how could you not
Yeah.
get chopped up in that? You know what I'm saying? I mean, I guess
Hmm.
if you don't have enough conviction, like the state I'm in right now, I got no conviction in any of my, no conviction. And I made out with
Yeah.
3K. I got no conviction though. Like Alfred said, I diamond handed that thing. And I didn't take any losses? Wow, that's surprising. That's crazy. I guess that's all that matters. I'm gonna just take this dub and call it in this account. I might go in the sim.
I would.
I'll go in the sim.
I would, man.
I'm gonna go in the sim so there's no strings attached. I can do whatever. I'm not touching the 50K because that one can get easily blown. And I'm not good at trading micros as far as like size and micros and everything. So I'm gonna just yeah, I'll take the victory.
I mean with the 50Ks with the NASDAQ, honestly, uh with the NASDAQ 15 to 18 contracts is all you need. And to catch a 50-point move, that's like $1,100 to $1,200. Yeah, it's not what we're used to. And that was like a big thing for me to get over at first. I was like, man, I'm used to making like 4 or 5K in a trade, like there's baby money. But over time, when I take a loss, my losses are like $600 to $700 versus $2,000. So I mean that is a trade-off. The
Yeah,
losses are a little bit smaller versus, and then but you don't get as much gains. You'll just stay in the game a little bit longer. Yeah, last Friday when I sent you that message, my name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm
yeah,
addicted to the NQ. Man, I
yeah,
made $3,700 in micros. Do you know what you have to do to make $3,700 in
yeah.
micros?
That's Wow, that's crazy. Yeah, that's
Yo,
37,000
last week, oh, it was crazy.
equivalent.
You said what?
I said that's 37K on the minis.
Yo, I made 3,700. Yeah, dude, $3,700 in micros, man. Man, I was playing. This is the ES. That same level it kept bouncing off of.
Yeah.
What level it kept bouncing off of last week? It kept bouncing off of one level, and I just kept adding into it, adding into it, adding it. I think it was this. I think it was at 580. Yeah, it was this 580 level. It kept bouncing at this 580 level. I just added into it. It came back to this neckline. I added it for a double top, and then I was like, dude, let me just close the charts. And then it bounced right here at this level. And dude, I was about to go full port right here. I had to really stop myself, close the charts, and walk away and watch it all.
That's crazy. Ain't that crazy?
I mean, I was like, dude, this is exactly what I did the previous Friday. It's like she's such a drug. She's a drug, yo.
Yeah.
She is a fucking drug. I literally had to walk away and close the charts and walk away. Leave the house. I was like, dude, I'm high as fuck right now. All right, so yeah. So we did get at that little neckline level like I assumed it would. Like I said, man, even if we get a bounce here at 580, I think we break 580, man. We're breaking this. We do see people coming in at that 580 level. I do see it on Bookmap, so. Okay. All right, so yeah, I'm just gonna let this ES trade ride. I mean, I've already made, honestly, all my money today in this account. I made the money today. I just gotta be consistent with it tomorrow as well. Because I took that NASDAQ long or short. I should have been done right there, but I was like, nah, I wanted more. As always with the NASDAQ. Took this ES short. And this is gonna be my last trade. I
Is
don't think we get I don't think we get all the way down here today. Like that would be absolutely crazy.
does MFF have live
Right?
trailing? No, it's end of day, right? End of day trail and drawdown.
No, it's in the day. hmm That's why it's killing everybody right now, man. Actually, this is something else I found out about MFF. Yo, I don't know if this is a glitch, but in your eval, or at least in my eval, I think once you reach that threshold in your eval, as long as you don't hit your minimum balance, you're good. And the reason why I say that is because in one of my accounts, I thought I blew that shit because I was down 5K, but I didn't get my account didn't blow. And then when I looked at my threshold, it said as long as I didn't touch what is it 100 and no, it's 149K or something like that. It was somewhere around that number. Because I was up 7K and then I started gambling because I wanted, actually, here's what's crazy. I was like $800 away from passing the account. So I over leveraged, of course, but I over leveraged at the top. And once price dropped, you know that I was only $800 away from passing, so I was not going to close the account. I scaled in heavy. Lost 5K, and I didn't blow the account. And then when I looked at my dashboard, I was at like what 51 or 52 after being up 57, and I didn't blow the account. I didn't get the email. I didn't do nothing. And so I was like, huh. I wonder if they do that on both sides. That's interesting. I mean, obviously they have to because I lost the 4,500 plus 5, so it has to. So I don't know if that's a glitch or what, but I've seen it personally done. So I think you can, like, once you reach that threshold, you're good. At least that's in my case it was. So I'm just gonna play it like that. But I was kind of upset that I was only $800 away from passing and I over leveraged. And eventually I blew that account, obviously from gambling. But mm.
Hmm.
Huh. That's interesting. This does look like it's about to launch up. It does look like it just found support on the ES. It does look that way. I think we just found support on the ES. I only got 2 micro contracts. I'm gonna leave this here. I've already made majority of the money in this move, so I'm gonna see what happens. But I think the ES just found support, and I think the Nasdaq has just found support as well. The way it's looking, it just found support. We got this strong low, and we got, man. You know what, man? I mean, let me get out this account, man. And try it. I'm gonna try it. Risk reward on this is too good. I'm gonna try it.
You think it launches?
Are you?
I don't know. Look
I
at
think it.
the.
I think we about to. I think we're going, dude.
I
I think
think
we're about to
it,
go.
it rejects though, and follows this downward trend. I think
Yeah, we'll see.
it rejects.
What the hell?
Obviously, it could launch, no doubt about that. These bulls they just want it more.
Being completely started.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. But if we, all right, let's put that there. Let's see. I think it rejects. Oh, let's see what Bookmap thinks.
The Bears are definitely selling this thing though. Or they're trying.
They're trying. They want an A for
I
effort.
mean, if they take out this low, you said what?
You think they crush it if they take it out? I just okay, like I see it now. I mean, it took a while to play out, but I feel like just looking at this overall, yeah, boom, 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 boom. If it stops here, then another leg down, then up. Yeah, I feel like this is a downtrend now. If it rejects here and keeps going, maybe we touch the low or a little bit, extend a little bit past, then bounce back and continue.
Mm-hmm.
I had a drawing tool to just show that. But let's see. Rejected the 50% basically so far. But this golden zone is like buy
Actually, I
598.
haven't looked at the days. I've been doing.
598, buy. And then the 50K starter on MFF, you only get 3 cons, right?
Yeah, 3 mini contracts. Yep.
So I gotta,
30 micros. That's why I got switching the micros on that one.
yeah, more room for error, I guess.
Yeah. I mean, honestly, I mean with the 50Ks, you really don't necessarily need to over leverage for real, for real. Because I mean, like I said, you can make $700 in a day, and that's really good for the 50K. But that ain't really nothing on 150 and 100Ks for real. I mean, that ain't nothing. But on a 50K, making $700 to $800 a day, that's really fucking good, man. That's all you need for real. I mean, if you ain't gonna be greedy, $600 is that perfect number. But I'm gonna need that 700 though.
I'm gonna need that.
I'm gonna need that.
That's funny. So they really want a short.
Nah, I think they found support, bro. They made that support pattern. So I think they about to try to launch it.
Oh, Mahi. I stopped trading Apex. I switched to take profit and my funded futures. Because, I mean, that's you see me DCA all the time. That's like my bread and butter. Whether it's whether I do it stupidly or smart, I do it all the time. So I'm just like, and I was doing it, like into the winning positions that they wanted, but Apex is just having way too many. I took them off my stuff. I'm not promoting them anymore. It's just too many issues, and I don't want to see
Yeah.
people get burned in the end. A lot of people thinking they got liquidity issues. That's why they going so hard on enforcing these rules. That's always been there, but now all of a sudden you want to be extra stringent on it. Yeah.
hmm
Okay.
Yeah. That's I mean that's universal. When the money started to dry up, you always look for a way to cut costs. I mean,
Yeah.
that's universal right here. That's universal behavior.
Yeah. So I took them off my. If I'd put them on I'd give them a warning rating. Just be like, yeah, people getting paid out stuff, but just be aware of what could
Mindful.
potentially. Yeah, be mindful of what could happen. Some Daryl's probably hosting these
hmm
cocaine parties in Miami, like the funded trader, spending y'all payout money.
Like the other guys.
Yep, funded trader.
Cocaine parties.
Okay.
hmm And honestly, man, dude, I really thought, I guess I expected more. I guess I expected more from them, I guess, even
Yeah.
though I'm not a Forex trader. Because you got to think about it. He would have interviews and stuff with these people.
Yeah.
I mean, he really put himself out there. So it's like, dude, you can't, like, dude, like, if you're gonna scam somebody, you got balls to do that. If you're gonna put yourself in front of the public like that.
Yeah.
But I guess he had balls to do it. Guess he had the balls to do it.
Yep. Yeah. So, all right, Bears, you gonna come in with some oomph this time, or are you gonna give it up? That girl wanna give it up. See, now I see it. I see. That's why I was saying, like, okay, I think they reject here, but we still not out the woods yet. Like, I think we need to flush the low. To be honest, we need to flush this, and then bulls probably come back in. So like,
hmm
boom, get a good flush down, and the bulls probably come right back up. Maybe they reject again, make another leg down. I don't know. That's what I want to see play out. Something similar to that. They just bounced it right at 591 open. So what are we at so far? Huh. So what is this going off of? What are we open at? Yeah, 591.50. But we're down 23 points, 24. But look how much they're struggling to get this down further. That's what I'm saying. Like, if you're gonna take it down with
hmm
authority. Like, you don't even got bulls that's really trying to. they got Bulls' area of interest. I think is lower, but they just like, come on, Bears, say it with your
Like I said,
chest.
man.
Hey,
Nah, I think this is it, man. It just made a support pattern, so I was like, dude, I think this is it. They about to take the Bulls about to come back, man. They
I
about to come
still
back.
think so. At least not yet. I think we get a flush of the low first, and then they come back. That's what I think. But maybe not. This month today sucks. Yo, this stuff sucks.
Yeah. Want it all, I won't leave a breadcrumb. Bitch, what I thought I'd do said something. All we know is NASDAQ, 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 NASDAQ. No.
That's
What? I
crack.
thought an ES trader said something. Thought an ES trader said something. NASDAQ. All we trade is NASDAQ, NASDAQ,
That's
NASDAQ,
crack.
NASDAQ, NASDAQ.
That's crack.
NASCrack. At New York Open, all we trade is NASCrack, 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 NASCrack. What? I thought an ES trader said something.
You really want to piss people off. I thought a gold trader said something.
NASCrack, 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 NASCrack. All we trade is NAS. When New York Open, all we trade is NASCrack, 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 NASCrack.
My name is Brandon. I'm addicted to the NQ. I need an intervention.
Boy, is she one hell of a drug. Hell, she is. Yes, she is, man. And this is what I was talking about.
You said the volume was. How's the volume today? It feels like it's lackluster.
The volume is, dude, we're trading with some decent volume today, man. Decent. That's decent volume.
That's crazy.
Decent. Yeah.
Look at this
I mean,
5 minute
like I
chart.
said, like,
This 5 minute chart since 8:30
it's
open
just that,
is terrible. It's terrible.
what?
I've said this 5 minute chart since the open is just terrible looking. So many wicks.
I mean, they're trying to come in at 620, but yo, I think they about to get ran, man. All right, so I might have been stopped out of my ES trade. Yeah, this is actually a good long for the ES right here. This is a great long. I'm just not gonna take it. All right, fuck it, man. I'm taking it. I'm not gonna take it. Nah, I'm taking it. We're gonna take it. But uh, th- consistent 11, I think. Which one is it? I think. Damn, which one is it? Um. Oh, MFF fucked up. Damn it. All right, so that's 23. So that's 5 points right here. That's 5 points that I missed. Uh, they already double bottomed it here. We got all this room for upside on the ES. It's just that every point with the ES matters. So if we're going to try to get into this, it has to come back here at VWAP, man. They got to get a good risk reward trade. They got to. I think I missed it on the ES. But your boy got it on the NASCrack, 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 NASCrack. When New York opens, all we trade is NASCrack. Nas crack, Nas crack, Nas crack, Nas crack. When New York opens, all we trade is Nas crack. Your boy is up 2K on some micro contracts. Actually, let me take off some more of this. Let me take off some more of this risk because I'm gonna take off some of this right here because I had a really bad fill, a really bad fill. Uh, take off a lot of that because I highly doubt that we get up all the way up here. Okay, so I'm gonna take off a lot right here. I just want what I really want is because I've already made I already made it for today, so I'm just going to play around with these last 5 contracts. That's all I'm gonna do. All right, so we made a high at 50, so I want to take some off there. Actually, I want to take some off at this high. If we get back to that high, I want to take it. So this is how I'm gonna play this. I'm gonna play it like that, right there. If we get that, this time I'm gonna play that, and I'm gonna move my stop up to break even. Yeah, that's how I'm gonna play this. All in all, like I said, man, we made money today. I mean, all we did was took winning trades today. That's all we do. Take winning trades. We took winning trades on the Nasdaq and we took winning trades on the ES. So we're good.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
got on that short, right?
No, I'm not in a short. I'm just watching.
You took
This is the watch and learn.
NASCRAC. All we trade is when New York opens, all we trade is NASCRAC. I thought a gold trader said something. That was funny. Thought a gold trader said something. So funny. I mean, gold is looking at gold. It's I mean, they kind of respecting these levels. I mean, of course, we're gonna have the sell off on gold because commodities don't play that shit. I mean, if you see a big move on commodities, you know the next day you can just confidently short it because the commodities don't play that shit. You can confidently short that. But huh? So I mean, gold traders. I mean, it does look like it's finding support here at this level. A good risk reward trade is obviously a stop underneath this low and a target at least right here at 389. It does look like it wants to at least try to pop at least to the 50 EMA. Uh, hmm. I mean, if the market comes back up, huh? You know what? You know what I'm gonna do? I kind of want to stay in this for as long as possible. I mean, do you think that the market will get to where you said the market you think was going to get to 720? I mean, I don't think 720 will be that number.
And now I said 725, but close enough.
So we may, like I said, we might see that rejection at 660, man. We may see it. We may see it at 660. It's that almighty 23% is up there. Or actually, that was from last week. So let's actually look at today's fibs. Oh yeah, okay, yeah, yeah. The golden fibs today is around 680, so that could be a target. I'm gonna definitely have that as a target. And if you said 725, shit, let's see if it happens. I'll just have a lone mega runner contract going all the way up there. That would be absolutely crazy if we get it though. I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna be absolutely crazy. So I guess I'll keep it on today's fib levels then, because they playing these levels perfectly on today's fibs. Graveyard is where my stay. Blown accounts is where my ops stay. Or how should it go? My oh no, there it goes. Blown counts is where my no, that's too much. No, blown counts is where the liquidity stay. Blown counts is where the no, see that's just too much.
Many
Blown
syllables.
accounts is where uh, my liquidity is where the blown accounts stay. Does that make sense? My liquidity is where the blown accounts stay. They told me to inverse the Sherm. I said, no way, no way. Ah, nice, nice. They said inverse the Sherm. I said, no way. Someone on Bookmaps chat said that he's made a lot and he's lost a lot. It only comes with experience and hard lessons. The market gives you a lesson after the test. Mm. The Nasdaq does do that to you, man. Like I said, she will hurt your feelings and have you crying. And then once you get done crying and wipe away your tears, you go right back to where it's that, baby, we can make this work. We can make it work. I know we can.
let's regroup. Let's regroup. We can make it fast.
My account is where my account is where my liquidity stay. My account is where liquidity stay. Where the liquidity stay. They told me to inverse the Sherm. I said, no way, no way. Actually, let's look at the higher time frame. I mean, kind of market's not doing nothing. Hmm. I mean, on the higher time frame, we kind of technically we made a higher low. So this can definitely possibly try to take out that high as, excuse me, 650. It can possibly take out that high on 650. But on the ES, that is so interesting. I mean, I know the ES likes to lag. Hmm. That's so interesting. So the market is still short on the ES. Huh. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one more off. I'm just going to leave three.
Oh, really? I haven't even
I'm going to leave
checked.
three. So
I haven't even checked.
I haven't checked what.
Yes.
They are buying here off of VWAP. Hmm. Huh. Huh. They are buying it off of VWAP. You know what? It's a good risk reward trade. I'm gonna still take it. I'm gonna still take it. So what I should have did was get in that VWAP. You know what? No, I'm not gonna take anything. I'm not taking nothing on the ES. I'm not gonna take it. This trade may work, but we want to be mindful about what time it is, especially with the ES. The market still moves, obviously, but with the ES, you kind of want to take your trades before 10 o'clock for real, because you'll be in a trade all damn day with the ES. You can get away with it on the Nasdaq, but did I switch accounts or something? No, what's going on right now? So that's interesting. Did I close this position or something? Did I close the position? I didn't do that. I'm going to look at the replay, but apparently I'm out of this position. I don't think I closed this. I don't think I closed it. That's interesting. I think I closed this. Let me look at this real quick. Well, okay, well, fine. Since I'm not in this position anymore, then. I know I didn't just get stopped out. Because I just took one. Okay, so I'm still in this trade. Yeah, not gonna lie about that. That's kind of. So I took one. I took it down to three, and then I switched over to the ES. How did I get out of this trade? I switched it to the ES. And then I canceled it. Hmm. And mysteriously, I'm out of this trade. Wow. So I don't know what happened. I see what you did there, Alfred. Hey, you inverse the Sherm, you find out. You inverse the Sherm, you find out. Blown accounts is where my liquidity stay. It's where the Sherm's liquidity stay. All right. So I don't know what the hell happened. I really don't know what happened. I was in this trade and this entire position closed out. I don't know how that happened. I don't know how I did that. So that's something. Yeah, that's interesting. That's weird. Mm. Yeah, because I'm looking at the replay right now and I didn't close it out. I didn't press anything. I didn't press any buttons.
Why is AMC up 12%? What the heck is going on over there?
Is GME? Is GME up?
I don't know. I didn't check GME. I got a notification saying AMC up 12%.
God damn it, dude. Man, it's,
GME's up
man,
3.
uh, 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 uh. Yeah, GameStop ain't doing nothing right now. I'm surprised. I'm surprised games. AMC is up and GameStop's not. Oh, he's 12%. What's 12? It's only. Yeah, it's up $1. Oh, it's up 62 cents. Yeah, yeah. I guess that's good for AMC. Oh, how did I do that? Okay. All right. So, yeah. Like I said, I don't know why the hell I got my position closed out. I do think that we can possibly take out the ties the way that it's looking, the way that the Bulls bought this right back up. And you know what? Yeah, that's great risk reward right here. Shit, I might just add to this. Really, this is good risk reward. So now I'm pissed that they took me out of that trade. I'm pissed. All right, so it's 27. Might get a move up back up to 28, 27. Pick out that first TP at 8 points. Okay, so about 27. I think I'll probably do that. I mean, we might get that. Mm.
Here we go again.
And that pisses me off, man. That pisses me off. God damn, that pisses me off, man. God damn. Damn. Yeah. Fuck. Mm. But I was looking at that 66 level for them to kind of reject from, and they're kind of doing that 665 level. Damn, that's not fair, man. All right, man. Let me. All right, I'll just make this as risk free as possible. I'll put this right here. Yeah, make this a. I can't make that a break even trade. It has to be something. Yeah, it looks like it's not gonna let me do it, which is weird. Liquid. It's not like it's not. Actually, I wonder what the hell. I'm actually gonna look at the AMC Reddit, man. I'm gonna see what they're talking about over there. Let's see, because I'm very interested to see what they're talking about.
More foolishness. Pipe dreams.
Hell yeah.